The competitors for the 400 meter time.
Twiddling his mustache there and enjoying the moments.
284.
In lane 1 is Jashanpreet Singh.
Punjab. Lane 2. 120. Sarthak Bhangri, Delhi.
Sri Lanka.
419. Kaliga Kumarage, Sri Lanka.
He is 29 years of age. Kaliga.
206. Alex Kerala. Lane 5. 151. Vikrant Panchal.
Only 21
Haryana.
has won under 21 Eurasian gold medals as well in the European Games.
Jashanpreet Singh, Punjab. Lane 7. 283. Karanpreet Singh, Punjab. And lane 8. 121. Rashid from Delhi. The national record for 400 meters men stands in the name of Muhammad Anas with a timing of 45.21 seconds, and meet record stands in the name of Karanpreet Singh with a timing of 45.56 seconds.
Vikrant Panchal has won a lot of duration when he won gold medal in the under 20 Eurasian tournament, and his personal best won a lot of claps around the nation. Jashanpreet Singh, his personal best timing was 47.17, touched at Guwahati. 21 years of age, Karanpreet Singh, he is in lane number 7, and lane number 8 is Rashid of Delhi, who is only 20 but rising quite rapidly on the scene, and 47.76 is his personal best. So all to go for. It's Jashanpreet, Sarthak Kaliga, then Alex A, Vikrant Panchal, Jashanjot, Karanpreet Singh and Rashid from lane number 1 to 8 in this competition. It's going to be an inviting finish. They pass the first test off the block. They go with a fiery speed, and you can see that from the middle all the athletes are doing very well. Kaliga Kumara of Sri Lanka is looking quite rich there in the speed as they are reaching towards the second bend, and from here you will see that 200 meters have been approached, and athletes are getting some lot of respect from the crowd, and you can see that Alex A and Vikrant Panchal are looking quite promising there. Jashanjot Singh has also increased his speed. He knows the urgency. Shenkarn athlete is quite running at a good speed there. Kaliga, let's see, there's reaching towards the home stretch, and from here on the picture will get clearer and clearer. But Kaliga Kumara, as I guess that he is having an edge over the Indian athletes there. Kaliga now it looks like that he is about 5 meters ahead from Vikram Panchal. Vikram Panchal is giving him some tough time, but Kaliga of Kumara of Sri Lanka is going to get the first position in that contest. Vikrant Panchal is coming at the second spot, and there was a tough competition for the third position there, but Sri Lanka's athlete Kaliga Kumarage quite easily finished at the first position. He's flexing his muscles and enjoying the moments. Here Vikrant Panchal, he knows that he has done extremely well there in the presence of a world-class athlete Kaliga Kumaraga of Sri Lanka. Here they are. You can see that Kaliga started not quite brightly and setting up the early paces. Karanpreet Singh of Punjab looking quite promising. You can see in lane number 7 he was off to a flyer. But from here onwards, from the halfway mark, you can see that the man from Sri Lanka has increased his limits, and he knew that he has to do extra bit of power there, and that's what he has in his store. And he exploited all of that and pulled every muscle of his body there. And once he got the edge, he was looking quite certain that if he maintained this distance, then he is surely going to win the contest. He was about 5 meters ahead at this point of time to Rashid, who was chasing him. And in fact, all the other athletes were only a chaser. You can see the domination. It's about 6, 7 or 8 meters there. And quite easily he crossed the finishing line, and with a big roar he celebrated the moment.